If you want to use Bass Boost on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can download a third-party EQ app or sound EQ app, also known as equalizer, that allows you to adjust the frequencies for the audio and therefore use the Bass Boost. So to find the app, we can go to the Play Store, and over here we should be able to just simply search for equalizer or audio equalizer or sound EQ, stuff like that. And as you can see, we have many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to adjust the EQ of the sound on your phone. Now, in my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to get the Bass Boost with this app over here. But feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store in case you don't like this one or in case it doesn't work for you for some reason. So we want to open the app once it is installed. Tap on I understand over here, and then wait for the next menu to appear. Now, in my case, I have this free trial, and of course, if you have some sort of like a premium offer, usually you can close it by using X, and that is going to be available somewhere on the screen. Now, here in this case, we just have to tap on next and then finish. Of course, you might see an ad, so let's wait for it to be done. And after that, we can start using our EQ. So we're gonna turn on the equalizer over here, and you might need to grant the permission to send you notifications for the app. And here we can easily find the Bass Boost options. We can just turn it on, and then we can use this slider to increase or decrease the Bass Boost. Of course, ideally, you want to use that slider while listening to something, so you can, of course, hear the difference in real time, so you can hear exactly how much of that Bass Boost you want to actually use. Besides that, here we can find presets for the equalizer over here, so I'm pretty sure we can find Bass Boost option in this place as well. So maybe instead of using this Bass Boost switcher, you might want to use this preset. And if you know how EQ works in general, then of course, feel free to adjust it to your own needs. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.